3, 2.
My boy Joe, second round, eating the peppers for 2 minutes. If you spit it out, we get our money back. You gotta keep chewing. You can't swallow it. I've been having this pepper long. Chew it. Hey, you spit it out, you lose money, dude. Don't spit it out.
Yeah, somebody warmed up now.
What?
20 seconds.
You only got 22 seconds. Look, 22 seconds.
40 seconds, right there.
40.
We're almost live.
This boy a soldier, boy. He's starting to look like.
Oh, he can do it though. Look at himself. Look at himself. All right.
40 seconds. 40 seconds.
This boy's good.
Almost 1 minute. Almost 1 minute.
1 minute.
1 minute. Right now.
You give up your money? No?
Hey, you give me the money right now. Give me the money. Give me the money.
What is that? Hey, get close to your face. It's 112.
Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball.
Look at his eyes. What? He has a minute 34 seconds. Why you still got 12 seconds? 3, 2, 1, go spit out. Look at Peyton. Peyton's like, what's wrong with him?
Here. Spit it out. Spit it out.
You swallowed it?
Damn, this boy is a soldier. I gotta go. You got heart, dog. Okay.
Not cool, man.
He's done.
Yo, look at it. Yo, look at it.
Yo. This is not cool, man.
I know.
Hey, look at the last shot of your face.
Stop. Let me chill.